Expressing grief for the violence in Enga Province, Bird mentioned an important aspect of an independent state.
Suppose yumi kolem yumi yet or semi independent state, then yumi need lo bring him all get a power lo state ikam bung him na bainapim long banisim all people blow yumi lo kain heavy.
Sympathizing with the provincial member for Enga, Sepita Ipatas, Bird reiterated that the call to address violence has always been the plea of provincial members.
Me play governors, me play making plant in neck, plant sing out. Me play ask him lo halibim. No God looks away as I come. Now this la big play heavy come up. Na yumi ekto sem yumi kirap no good. Oh how na something come up.
Bird said the failure to provide security for citizens is the first trait of a failed state.
I'm worried simply because if you look at the definition of what constitutes a failed state, we tick most of the boxes right now.
Elaborating on the definition of a failed state, Bird expressed that PNG already ticks off several attributes of one, with the first being the inability to provide security for its citizens. Meanwhile, the provincial member for East Sepik Province urged this.
Every state reserves the right to the use of force in the protection of its citizens. It is an inherent right of every nation. Why isn't Papua New Guinea using that right?